Recording yourself without a cameraman is rough. Whether it's a live stream, a cooking tutorial, or even just FaceTiming family, you either end up awkwardly out of frame, constantly adjusting the phone, or giving up altogether. It's frustrating, right? But what if you had a camera guy without paying one? That's exactly what the autoface tracking tripod does. It's like having your own personal AI-powered videographer right in your pocket. There's no complicated setup. You don't need to download an app. You don't need to sync Bluetooth. You literally just pop your phone in, turn it on, and it tracks you automatically, 360 degrees. It even has gesture controls, so you can start recording, pause, or lock focus, all with a simple hand signal. And yes, it comes with a little remote too if you want extra control. Plus, it's got a built-in rechargeable battery, lasting up to 6 to 8 hours. So you're covered for long recording sessions. Picture this. You're setting up to do a live cooking class from your kitchen. You're moving between the stove and the sink. But every time you move out of frame, usually someone has to hold the camera, or you're stuck doing awkward tripod shuffles. Now, the tripod follows you automatically. Stirring pasta, it's got you. Running to grab more salt, still in frame. Or maybe you're going live on TikTok, showing your art process. Pros, super simple setup. Smooth, natural tracking, hands-free control with gestures or remote. Great portability. Cons, works best in good lighting, not built for fast sports. Remote works great, but needs to be pointed toward the stand honestly. For creators, teachers, live streamers, and even casual users, the pros massively outweigh the cons. If you've been thinking about upgrading your setup without dropping a ton of cash, the autoface tracking tripod is seriously a smart move. No fuss, no drama, just simple tech that makes recording yourself actually easy. I've dropped a link in the description if you want to check it out. Thanks for hanging out today. And hey, if you want more simple tech tips and finds, hit that subscribe button. Catch you next time.